Good morning, Christine.
Good morning, Nick.
Nice
How are
to
you?
see you
Good
again.
to see you again, too.
All right, we're here to start up on these inspections.
I'm Nick Gordon. I'm a lifting specialist, and my role here is to actually be out with my customers, either solving problems or really just trying to see what they're working on and where we can really help them on the lifting side of things. So a typical day starts with a morning meeting. Our group regionally get together, kind of talk about what we did the day before, any pertinent news that maybe comes down from upper management that's shared with us, and then really just discussing what we did, something great that happened the day before, something we're working on, and then really coming into what we're doing today and focusing on one really main goal that we want to get accomplished that day. Daily goal is really to get out into the mills. I see a lot of different people, so trying to get into 3, 4, 5 different areas of the mill, get an understanding of what's going on, coming up, whether it's projects or things they're doing, and just being aware of that so that I can be a help where I can. Today we were doing fall protection system inspections. Really what we were doing is we had the engineer out looking at 2 different systems, making sure that all of the fasteners were good, the welds were good, making sure the systems were all intact. The customer leans on me to make sure that they're aware of what we're going to be doing. And then on the other side, our engineers and whoever is going to be on site really need to know what's expected, what PPE they need to wear. So I work somewhat as a liaison between both. My job is to make sure that everything runs smooth, the customer's happy, and our engineers or anybody that's on site is getting done what they need done. And then I get to be an errand boy at times where I need to run and get stuff for them, or customer may have questions or concerns that we can answer while the guys are up doing their job. Because we do so many different things, from inspections to just the rigging to crane service to new cranes, they have to understand that we can do all of that and we can do it better than anybody else in the market. It makes it easy for them to have one point person that they can talk to about all of this stuff.
We looked at 5 more fall protection systems. Over their cooling bed, we needed to check 4 stanchions on each side, as well as the feet. The feet are anchored to the floor, and we actually created this custom with movable stanchions. So a little different, takes a little time. The engineer has to go really through each piece apart, making sure everything looks good.
It all goes back to that comfort and confidence in us. They realize that we're not just out to sell them something, or we're just out to make a buck and get a PO. It becomes much more personal. Typically when I'm talking to customers, I'm asking them more about themselves or family or what's been going on. Even if it's in the mill, it's not about, hey, what do you need? It's more about, hey, what's been going on? I really just care about helping. I want to make sure that they have what they need, and really just knowing that I'm going to be there for them. They can call me at any point in time, night or day, and I'm going to be able to do what I need to do to help them get whatever solution or result they need to get.